Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. So today I got some carbon to put in the Supra, which is right here. So yeah, I got the box. Let's unbox it. Let's see what it is, and yeah, let's check out the fitting. So grab something to drink, relax, and I'll catch you in a second. All right, so as you see, the Supra does have a nice duckbill spoiler. I've seen guys with big wangs. Not a big fan of them, so I kind of like the lip spoiler. So if you go to Speed Industry, I'll put a link below to two different types, version 1 and version 2 carbon fiber lip spoiler you can get for the Supra. It's from Taiwan. Speed Industry is a great company. I bought a lot of stuff from them. However, what I'm going to show you guys, it's a small business, which I like to support, and it's also an American business. So it's a little bit different design. So anyways, let's unbox it and show you what I got. All right, so before I show you guys what came here in the box here, look at all this packaging that they put in. I mean, it's this heavy-duty thick box. You also got a double-sided tape, so let's show you what came in the box. All right, so I know Speed Industry has a V1 and a V2 lip spoiler from Speed. That's from Taiwan. This here is made in America. It's from a company called VQ Customs. I'll put a link to their Instagram and you can contact them. They also make, obviously being VQ, stuff for 370Z, 350Z, any of the Infinities. And they also come out with paddle shifters, and they got carbon steering wheels for all those cars I mentioned, including the Supra. But yeah, so this is their new wing, and I believe I'm the first person to have one. And it's just, you know, a beautiful wing, little lip spoiler, if you will. And as I said, this is a little bit different than the Speed model. So I'm gonna set this down. I'll roll some B-rolls, go over it, so you guys take a look at the gloss, the weave pattern. But overall, you know, even on the inside, I think, you know, for $400, this is money well spent. So yeah. Alright guys, so the wing's on here. Like I said, it's applied with double-sided tape. I'm not big into aero, and you know, I'm more of like a fastener, hardware, bolts, nuts, things of that nature. You can pretty much figure out how you want to place your double-sided tape and where you want to put that on there. So I don't want to be, you know, this is how you do it, but you know, you can do whatever you want. But other than that, like I said, it's a beautiful piece of kit. It's got a really aggressive angle right here, and overall I think it looks great compared to some of the other competitors out there in the market. Once again, check out VQ Customs in my description. American company, small business. So yeah, catch you guys later. Peace.